All right, hello and welcome back. Brett here with clickmill.co. All right, in this video, we're going to get into countries. I think this one will be relatively short. Okay, so we're going to go ahead. We're going to come over here. We're going to go to countries. And as you've already seen, you can see what countries your articles, your pages on your website are ranking in on Google. You can see a breakdown of the average rank by country, which is obviously really important. You're going to want to rank really high in the country you're trying to target. So if you're in the United States, you're going to want to rank really high for content in the United States. Alternatively, if you're in Nigeria, you probably, if it's a local business at least, you're going to want to rank high in Nigeria. If you're international and you take clients internationally, you're probably assuming that you can get clients in the United States, you'd probably want to get clients in a developed country and service countries where the currencies are going to be beneficial for your business. And so, for example, let's say you do live in the Philippines, like many people do, and you can get work in the United States, you're going to get the bonus of the conversion, the currency conversion rates, and that's going to be a really good thing for your business. So you can focus in here and optimize a lot of your searches based on this stuff, based on countries. Now, again, you can filter this down just like all the other tabs. Let's say I want my stuff to, let's just say, show up in Nigeria. So we come in here and you'll notice we can start looking. Well, some optimization I did actually just shot me up in Nigeria. So that's cool. And, we're getting up to, if it works here, all right, it's not going to tell me right now, but, so we're getting more searches in Nigeria than we were. And so we can start boiling this down. And you'll notice this is the same information, but only for Nigeria. So it's interesting. We had some more erratic days up and down a lot more, and it started to stabilize and raise. And so once it stabilized, we had a rank of 10 and we went all the way up to a rank of 6. And we've actually dropped down quite a bit. That's very interesting. Well, did that correlate with the clicks? We can really start trying to figure it out. Well, we went up to 6, but since then we've dropped a little bit and now we're down around 7, but we have way more clicks. So again, why does that happen? Well, probably because we just have a lot more articles. So even though we've dropped one rank, we've gone way up on the clicks, which I guess it will tell me now, and I'm actually interested. 420 clicks a day from Nigeria on that day, on the high day. So again, we can filter by country. And then I can come over to keywords and say, what's being searched from Nigeria? And you can see right here, right off the bat, this keyword is the #1 keyword being searched by far. So if I have an optimization opportunity on this keyword, which 11.7, like I said earlier, is really good, I'm probably not going to play with it. But what if this was low? This has the highest clicks and it was a click-through rate opportunity that's low. You're going to want to go and optimize that, because this is going to just crush it for you if I'm trying to get exposure and attention and clients in Nigeria. So this is the countries tab, and I'm going to now remove my country filter. And in the next video, we're going to get to devices. We'll see you there.